Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is called Tornado. Oh, the weather out here is so nice. So sorry about the background, guys. Okay, girls. Oh my God. Your father isn't home yet, but it's okay. I want my girls to go get the 2 bags. Okay, Mom. Loser. Hey. Loser. Here you go. This bag is glitching so bad. Beat you. Whatever. It looks like it's about to rain outside. It does. Oh, it's raining. I'll take the bags from here, okay? All of you guys go to your room. And I want, sweetheart, since it started raining, I want you to go home. Whatever. Yeah, Mom, will you just come pick me up? They said I have to go home anyways. You better walk home. I'm not picking you up. Bye. See you at school. Bye. Thanks a lot, Mom. And now she's probably going to be mad at us. Whatever. I really don't care if she's mad. She can be mad. What's so funny? The stupid television that you won't stop watching? Won't be funny if I turn it off. Will it? Mom, you're such a party pooper. What was that? I said, Mom, you're a party pooper. Was that clear enough for you? Or do you want me to speak up louder? You're grounded. What? No. Sorry, Mom. I said you're grounded. When I say that, that means go to your room. Or call it a week. Yes, Mom. Lost your cool, huh? Shut your mouth, you little rat. Want to make it longer? No. You're so mean. Take care of Lonnie. Guys, look at this happen. My freaking Alani. What did Mom do? Ugh. She's so rude. She literally did not bring my chicken nuggets up here. I'm so sorry, guys. Hold up. Mom! Give me my chicken nuggets! They're in the elevator. Oh. Got them. I love chicken nuggets. Especially dino nuggets. Since it's raining out, And the clouds are... Oh my god! What? Look outside my window. Oh my god, there's a freaking tornado coming. Yeah. Where's your father? I don't know. Hey guys. I know it's raining out. Ta-da! You guys look like you just saw a ghost. What's wrong? There is a tornado. Shh. You don't want them to hear it. Let me unpack. No, honey. Put your stuff back in there. We're staying in Mia's room for a little. Great. She's gonna be yelling and throwing a fuss about us being in there. I don't care. We're going in there. Now grab baby bottles. Yes, ma'am. I don't care what she says. We're going. Sky, sunshine, wake up. Who's gonna carry sunshine? I will. You're holding Sky, right? Yeah, and you're holding sunshine. Okay. Honey, just put stuff in your bag and let's go downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna only grab comfy clothes. You better. We're gonna be down there for a while. I'm putting my pets in my bag. Sorry, you guys. I'm not zipping it, though. I need my water bottle. Put stuff in your bags right now. Okay. I'll put my stuff in my bag. Is that it? Bring like your stuffed animals. Hurry. Okay. We don't have time. Get your stuff in your bag, or you're probably gonna get eaten. What? You never said about anything about being eaten. I'm sorry. Ugh. Let's go. The lights are out. The whole power goes out. It's still daytime and it's really dark outside. I know, kids. But it's gonna be okay. How is it gonna be okay? The whole power's out. I don't know. Just go to your sister's floor. I love this video. Let us in, let us in. What? I said let us in. Why is it so dark out there? Power's out and there's a tornado. Power just went out of my room. I have a lantern, okay? So do we. Do you have anywhere we could all sleep? I could bring in a few chairs that I have in my closet. Okay, bring those. I'll grab the lights out of my bag. I have them in my bag. Oh, okay. Okay, here's all the stuff. I'm gonna put heaters over here. All pets can lay down on. There, I'll sleep on my bed. Where's the lights? How am I gonna go up there? This one doesn't work. It's okay, we have these two. Where are the babies gonna sleep? Okay. And I'll sleep up there. Same sister. This storm is gonna be the death of us. The whole house shakes. Ah! It's okay, guys. It's okay. We'll be okay. I'm stilled. Mommy, will they let to love me real quick? Guys, I can't get them out of their arms. There. Okay, let me just change real quick. And then... Okay, there. Just take off your hat and this. Put your PJs on. And we'll sleep right here. Bruh. I love you so much, sister. You were so kind to me. I would do anything to have that back. And I don't have any PJs. I'm just gonna post videos. Have them. Okay. Just turn off the lights. I have this one on. What are you doing up? I don't know. No, get the bed. Tank. What did I ever do to you? Not go to bed. I want you to sleep on my side. The house shakes again. Wait, she's really, 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 really bad. She falls. Pretend she's yeah, she's gonna still be asleep. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna do this part and then I'm gonna end the video and then come back for part 2. Falls, hits head. Ow. Come back for part 2.